Hi, this is Kevin Self from Concentrus. I want to share the quick tip to show you how the customer statement can be emailed from NetSuite to remind customers to pay their invoices. We have short and sweet videos about the overview of the customer statement. However, we also receive feedback to demonstrate the email customer statement as well. There are multiple ways to email customer statement. The first way is to email customer statement directly from the customer record. So if I go to the customer record, this is my test environment. Then, as you can see, you can directly go to the communication and messages and email. You can enter the recipients here. You can enter the message saying customer statement. You can enter the messages here. Oh, and at the attachment, you can simply include a statement and then merge and send. So if I go back to the customer record, you see the email has been sent out with the attachment. And there's another way to send the email customer statement is to go navigate to the list, transactions, customers. And there's a way that you can do generate statements or individual statements. Generate statement is to email multiple customers, and individual statement is to email individual customers. If I go to the individual statement, and if I choose the customer, and then I can do action and email. This will also email the customer. So if I go back to the customer record again, you can see that another email has been sent out, statement. Yeah, so, and if I go back to the generate in the same way, I go to the customer again, and then go to the generate statements. You can again choose multiple customer to do the email at multiple customer at the same time as well. I hope you enjoyed this video and helped you to email customer statement in multiple ways. Thank you for watching this video.